Okay, Dog Adventures 2. What is going to become of this? I don't know. There's a dog out here. Again, if you want to be shouted out in a video, send me a picture of you cuddling with your dog and, well, stuff. And shout you out, but it's a dog. Magical zooming in powers. See the dog. Shut it. I'm picking a fight with a dog. I'm picking a fight with a dog.
Where?
Right there.
Bruh, for real.
You want to fight me, kid? You want to fight me, kid? Kid, I will kill you.
John, wipe your snout over there.
Where? Where? Oh. Kid, my dog will destroy you. If you just don't stop right now, I will kill you. Never mind. I'm not going to kill anybody.
Shut up. Come on, man. Fucking nerd, man. Oh, come here, dude.
I'm sorry, kids, that you just heard a curse word, but try to keep that. He said shut up, and then he said something F something.
That dog's so peaceful.
There's actually a fire hydrant.
Bro, are you serious?
That actually works.
I didn't know that. I thought that was just a myth. They play with each other, actually?
I want to see how this goes out. Dogfight might be the second part. Let's zoom in on this, guys. 2 dogs are fighting.
Look at that tiny dog.
He's so hopeless.
I'll be like, are you serious?
You see that Chihuahua? If he goes in the battle, he's hopeless. We're all hopeless. We're all hopeless. We are all hopeless. Why do you want to pick a fight with me, kid? What are you trying? You know, Adonis, let's do this. Show him what you're made of. Adonis, show him what you're made of. Adonis, you better show him what you're made of. Ow, no. My chest is bleeding. My chest is bleeding. Just fine.
You can't not take it.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Why are you here?
Hello, beautiful. It looks like a Harrier Zoe. Doesn't it?
It might be a poodle.
Looks like a Harrier Zoe, doesn't it?
It's a poodle. Yeah. Ooh.
No,
Damn.
dog poop.
What dog poop? What dog poop? You are a ow. You thrusted me.
Wrong.
Okay, he's taking a shot at the leash. Are we going inside the dog park?
I think. Huh?
Where are we walking?
I don't know.
Adonis, don't be afraid to show him what you're made of, okay? Get inside there and just be yourself. I know yourself is fighting.
No, not really.
Yourself is being hype.
Yes.
Just do that. And maybe other dogs will like you. Like this one that wants to kill me. Do you? Don't you? Yeah, you walk away. Skinny. Hashtag skinny dog in the comments. Did he pee on that?
leaving.
Hello. Hello. No.
Look, that dog's like, why is the dog leaving?
Don't worry. Since Adonis is so short, he's probably like, he's no match for me. I will kill you.
Oh, what?
Oh, he was friends with him. Now he's gonna go cry. Now he's gonna go cry in the corner. I'm sorry, guys. He went. Jaden, he's so sad that he lost his best friend. Now he's gonna go cry in the corner, or just walk along the sides. Nothing too bad. Hey, don't you dare pick a fight with him. Oh, they love people. Ooh, he's trying to. Ooh. No, Adon. He can control your hyper. Get in the mode. Stop following us. You got a Chick-fil-A sandwich? Oh, Chick-fil-A, hashtag not sponsored. Okay, well, Adonis, time to show him what you're made of. Hype. And shakiness. Time to go in. You ready? You ready for what? Why is there no cat pen? Ooh, he's playing fetch. We should have brought a ball to play fetch with.
Because why would anyone bring a cat to a park? Why would anyone do that?
Because cats are amazing. We should have brought a ball. Adonis, you better straight up moss one of those dogs, okay? You straight up moss them. Okay, just straight up moss them. I don't care what you're doing, just moss them, okay? Bring out yourself. That was so...
He doesn't really need a pee.
Is that a squirrel? Oh, no, squirrel. When dogs see squirrels, it's not... Oh, that's a small dog area.
Exactly, I told you.
Why isn't there a cat area? Cats are like fresh outdoors. Cats go on leashes, right?
Sometimes.
Guys, again, this video is getting way too long. No, it's not. I could let this video go on, but my phone can't hold that much storage. So, yeah, we'll be back with part 3 of Dog Adventures. Adventures with Adonis and Zeus, who is somewhere back there. Yeah! Okay, bye.